cold morning in New York. The streets were wet, trash scattered everywhere. And among the silence of the early hours, a man named Marcus pushed his broom slowly. Wearing a dirty orange jacket, hands rough-faced iron, he cleaned streets every single day. People walked past him. Some didn't notice, some ignored, some looked down on him. To them he was just a street cleaner. But inside Marcus, there was a fire, a dream, a belief that one day, his life would change. Marcus wasn't always like this. He once had a normal life, small job, small apartment, simple happiness, but life hit him hard. The company shut down, job lost, bills increased, step by step, everything slipped away, until one day, he had nothing left to survive. He took the only job he could get, cleaning streets. Every morning at 5 a.m., while the city slept, Marcus worked, cold wind hitting his face, hands freezing cold, back aching. But something was different about him. He didn't complain. He observed. While cleaning, he watched people, businessmen rushing to offices, entrepreneurs talking on phones, successful people living the life he dreamed of. And one day, he asked himself, what do they have that I don't? The answer was simple: talent, skills, knowledge, mindset. That day changed everything. After work, instead of resting, Marcus started learning. He went to public libraries, watched free videos, read books about business, a success mindset. At first, it was difficult. He didn't understand much. But he didn't stop. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, good hours. Slowly, his thinking changed. His confidence grew. He started believing again. One night, he made a decision. I will not clean streets forever. I will build something of my own. But how? He had no money, no connections. But he had something powerful: consistency. He started small, very small. He offered simple services online, helping businesses with basic tasks, writing and marketing small jobs. At first, no one trusted him. No clients, no income. But Marcus remembered something. He had already survived the hardest days. So he kept going. One client came, then another, then slowly, more opportunities. His income started growing. After months of struggle, he saved enough money and took a big step. He started his own small business. It wasn't perfect. He made mistakes, lost money, faced failure again. But this time, he didn't quit, because he knew something holy. Success is not instant, it's built. He improved daily, learned from failures, adapted quickly, and then one opportunity changed everything. A big client trusted him, a big project, a big chance. Marcus gave everything he had, worked day and night, delivered beyond expectations. That project changed his life. More clients came, more growth, more success. Years passed. The same man who once cleaned streets now sat in a luxury office, wearing a suit, running a company, leading a team, living the life he once dreamed of. One day, he walked back to the same street where he used to clean every morning. He stood there quietly, holding his car keys, looking at his past May, and smiled, because he realized something powerful. It was never about where I started. It was about where I refused to stop. Lesson: your situation doesn't define you. Your struggle is your strength. Your consistency creates your future. He cleaned the streets, but built his destiny.